Welcome to InvestorWeb, your trusted guide to a prosperous future. We're here to equip you with smart investment strategies and valuable business insights. Our aim? To empower you to make informed decisions that yield results. And today, we're delving into a resource that's more valuable than gold, more precious than diamonds. It's the one thing that, once spent, you can never get back. Time. Today, we will unravel the secrets of making time work for you. Time, the most valuable resource, is often underestimated in its importance. Let's delve a little deeper into this phenomenon. Imagine time as a gold mine. Each hour, each minute, each second is a nugget of gold. The better you manage this mine, the more gold you can extract. In the realm of entrepreneurship, this gold translates to productivity, efficiency, and ultimately success. Think about it. When you manage your time effectively, you're able to accomplish more in a day. You're able to set clear goals, prioritize tasks, and reduce stress, leading to increased productivity. It's akin to chiseling out more gold from your mine. Efficiency, on the other hand, is about doing more with less. It's about refining the gold you've extracted, making it more valuable. Good time management allows you to streamline processes, eliminate wasteful activities, and focus on what truly matters for your business. And then there's the overarching element of success. Each nugget of gold you extract and refine brings you closer to achieving your business goals. Your ability to manage time effectively can be the difference between the success and failure of your venture. So, as you see, time is not just a ticking clock, it's a gold mine waiting to be tapped into. Mastering time management is a crucial step towards success. Harness it well and watch as your business flourishes. Before we delve into strategies, let's first understand the value of time. Time, much like the air we breathe and the water we drink, is one of those resources we often take for granted. But just as air and water may be polluted or depleted, time can also be wasted or misused. This is where the concept of the time value of money, or TVM, comes into play. Now you might be thinking, what exactly is TVM? Simply put, it's the idea that money available at the present time is worth more than the identical sum in the future due to its potential earning capacity. This core principle of finance holds that, provided money can earn interest, any amount of money is worth more the sooner it is received. Let's illustrate this with an example. Let's say you're offered £200 today or £200 a year from now. Which one would you choose? Most would choose the money now because it can be invested and earn interest, so by the time the year rolls around, you'll have more than £200. This is the essence of TVM. TVM isn't just a concept for investors and financial wizards. It affects everyone. Whether you're saving for retirement, planning a vacation, or even deciding when to pay off your credit card bill, it's crucial to consider how time affects the value of your money when making financial decisions. For instance, when comparing investment opportunities, £1 today is worth more than £1 tomorrow. The potential for growth over time is what makes investing earlier rather than later so advantageous. When it comes to financial planning, understanding TVM can mean the difference between reaching your financial goals or falling short. It allows you to calculate what your investment will be worth in the future, helping you plan and make decisions that align with your financial goals. Understanding the time value of money empowers you to make more informed financial decisions. So remember, time is money, but more importantly, money is time. Use it wisely. Now let's explore some effective strategies to make time work for you. Our first strategy is goal setting. Goal setting is like setting a destination on your GPS. You wouldn't embark on a journey without knowing where you're going, would you? The same applies to your time. Clear, well-defined goals give you a roadmap to follow and prevent you from meandering aimlessly. For instance, if your goal is to start a business, you might set smaller, actionable goals such as writing a business plan, researching your market, and securing funding. By breaking down your larger goal into manageable chunks, you can make consistent progress and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Next up is prioritizing tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are more important or urgent than others. The trick is to identify these tasks and tackle them first. One popular method is the Eisenhower box, which divides tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent not important, and neither urgent nor important. By categorizing your tasks in this way, you can focus on what truly matters and avoid wasting time on trivial matters. Imagine you're an entrepreneur. Spending time on product development and customer relations is likely more beneficial than spending hours tweaking your website's color scheme. Our third strategy is delegating work. No matter how skilled or efficient you are, you can't do everything yourself. It's not only impractical, but also a poor use of your time. Delegation allows you to focus on tasks that align with your strengths and contribute most to your goals. For example, a restaurant owner might delegate accounting tasks to a skilled accountant, freeing up their own time to focus on menu development and customer service. Delegation isn't about shirking responsibilities. It's about leveraging others' expertise to maximize productivity. Finally, we have the use of technology for automation. We live in a digital age where technology can automate many routine tasks, saving you time and effort. For example, you can use scheduling tools to automate your social media posts, accounting software to handle your finances, or project management tools to keep track of your tasks. The key is to identify tasks that can be automated and find the right tools for the job. Remember, technology is a tool. Use it wisely, and it can be a powerful ally in your quest to make time work for you. But as we delve into these strategies, it's crucial to remember that implementing them won't always be smooth sailing. You'll encounter obstacles and setbacks. You might feel overwhelmed or unsure. That's okay. The important thing is to keep trying, keep refining, and keep moving forward. It's a process, not a destination. Let's not forget, these strategies aren't one size fits all. What works for one person might not work for another. It's about finding what works best for you. Experiment, adapt, learn. The goal is to create a system that fits your unique needs and circumstances. And remember, time management isn't about cramming as many tasks as possible into your day. It's about making the most of your time, achieving your goals, and still having time to relax and enjoy life. It's about balance. So set clear, actionable goals, prioritize your tasks, delegate when necessary, use technology to your advantage. Keep trying, keep learning, and keep refining. You have the power to make time work for you. Remember, the key is not to work harder, but smarter. Despite best efforts, some common mistakes can hinder your time management. Let's dive into a few. Firstly, multitasking. It may seem like a way to get more done, but research indicates it actually slows you down. The solution? Focus on one task at a time and see it through to completion. Secondly, not taking breaks. It's easy to get caught up in your work and forget to rest. However, breaks are essential for maintaining productivity and preventing burnout. So, make sure to schedule short breaks throughout your day. Thirdly, not setting boundaries. This can lead to overcommitment and eventually exhaustion. You can't do everything, so it's important to say no when necessary. Prioritize your tasks and learn to delegate. Lastly, lack of planning. Without a clear plan, you're likely to waste time and effort, so develop a realistic schedule and stick to it. Avoiding these mistakes will boost your productivity and free up time for strategic thinking. So, that's how you can make time work for you. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to revisit the main points we've covered. We began by understanding the importance of time management and how it can significantly impact our productivity and overall life quality. Next, we delved into the concept of time value, highlighting how every second carries the potential to create something remarkable. We emphasized that time, once passed, is irretrievable, making it our most valuable commodity. Moving on, we discussed various effective strategies that can help us make the most of our time, including prioritization, delegation, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. By implementing these strategies, we can ensure our time is spent in the most productive and fulfilling way. In addition, we addressed common time management mistakes that can hamper our progress, like multitasking and procrastination, and how to avoid them. Thank you for tuning in to InvestorWeb. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. Here's to making every second count.